I'd like to tell people when they ask me what I do, that I design material handling systems. And what does that mean? So our industry is more than just the components of forklifts or racking or conveyors. It's all about what's happening in the business that you're working with. So to the extent that we are able to understand what a client is trying to accomplish, then we can bring forth extremely creative methods that are highly effective.
Our growth was so dramatic, even right from the start, that Mark came in and helped us with some growing pains we were having right from the beginning. What they do bring to the table is the data analysis that they can perform. One of the things they did was help us identify system solutions that would help us handle that growth.
We're able to sort on a consistent basis which of their products are moving, which ones are stale. So we're not putting slow-moving product into prime locations. We're keeping it to where things can be very effective. And that keeps them in a position where they can maximize the cube, because they grow out of cube in their buildings. You know, they grow out of building space because of that kind of growth. It helps us with the ability to actually apply all the different technologies that are available in our industry.
He identified a system like you see behind us right now that was going to be able to help us develop high accuracies, high levels of density storage, but be able to also move those materials much faster and more efficiently. And it's been a huge help. From the day of implementation, we handled 4 years worth of growth at 15%. Did not have to add any headcount to that growth.
We have the top lines in all of the components that we'd want to use in building a system. But in addition to that, and way beyond that, we have the engineering department. They have the longevity of personnel that have learned the industry and learned the creative ways to do things. We also have full-blown fabrication capabilities. We manufacture a lot of our components. It brings an implementation about in a far more effective way. Hawaii Engineering is an amazing company, and I'm very happy to be with a member of the team.